last day.
We will be together until the new office and the lockdown is out. As you can hear, there's a lot of cops. They're starting to stop us.
Yeah, the cops are chasing people who's outside the street. Fake news.
Fake news.
Fake news, but yeah, we're gonna go now and hide to a safe place
Now, so
and stay
in
home.
Ontario, there's a new lockdown order. So it's like a curfew. So you're only allowed to do essential trips. So we're gonna start working from home until
the end of time.
So
And we're
see you at the new office.
we took everything with us, all our things and belongings to the office, so that we will be ready to not come back.
Yeah,
No, we're not happy about the situation.
because we like working at the office. It's more productive, but sometimes you need to follow the rules. So it is what it is.
It is what it is. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
you guys.
Morning.
So work from home kami for 2 weeks. So
This is my current setup for my work from home. So I'm just doing some journaling for this morning. I'm done actually. And after I do this is my notebook for my work. Oh my god, you guys, I just finished the live with Nagar College. And oh my god, I'm so freaking tired kasi ng oras na 12:30. Time check, 12:30 na. But super saya nung live. Para lang siyang kwentuhan with Ate Maria kasi Tagalog siya. Kaya mas na-enjoy ko siya. Like just sharing my experience as someone na nag-aral din dito sa Canada. And at the same time, yung school that I had a live with is also located here in Toronto. So I am so tired, but I feel so fulfilled. Okay, I just received my IELTS result. Let's open it. So I ordered some sushi again. And maganda kasi may picture siya. Gusto ko yung may picture. I always buy at Kibo Sushi kasi just ano lang siya, right across the street. But Angel told me to try this out. And so, oh my god. Ang dami. I was thinking of ordering Jollibee or this. So, I ordered this one na lang para medyo healthy and madami siya until tomorrow ko to. Kasi wala akong grocery pa. Kaya, nag-order ako ng grocery online. So, tomorrow pa kasi siya i-deliver. So, wala pa akong food for now. And I have miso soup. They have 2 chopsticks. So, I guess pang 2-person to. But, well, sorry to disappoint you. But, it's just me. Okay, now I'm gonna take a picture of this. Kasi, wala lang. Trip ko lang bakit. So, umi bento. These are all for $15. Sobrang dami niya. Usually, yung binibilhan ko before, yung Kibo Sushi, I would just have this, and some gulay, miso soup, and some pancit maliit. And yun na yun, $15 yun. But this, wow. Wow, girl, pang 2 tao to. Hanggang bukas ko to. This is the groceries that I got. Netflix. It's already 10 p.m. and magtiti pala ako. I super love today kasi ang linis ng room ko. So, parang ang linis ng mind ko. I'm just gonna wind down tonight and just laid out all my plans for tomorrow because it's, you know, we are working from home and I feel like I'm more creative when I'm alone. When I'm on my own space and own comfort zone. beautiful outside. Breakfast for today, I had some pancake and fruits, coffee and water of course, and yeah, that's it. This is my routine whenever I eat my breakfast. I also journal. So today I have to write down the 3 things that I love, 2 things that I'm proud of, and 1 thing that I want to achieve. Yay! So usually I don't have this kind of prompts. I just write is my schedule for the day. So, grabe, this new technique that I had where I would schedule everything that I have to do per hour is super effective for me. Good evening. Oh my god. Anyway, I have a virtual summit today. Actually, 10 minutes na lang. There's a lot of promos. Grabe. But these are all private schools. TSOM, ILAC. But ILAC, they have partner schools sa public school din and TSOM din. That's so nice. Alam mo, grabe. Nainis na ako na sana alam ko to before. Like, wala namang murang school, okay? Pag international student, walang murang school. But, if talagang bibigyan mo siya ng strategy, kaya naman pala. I have to log in. Mga 10. Saktong 10 ako mag-join. Wait lang ah. So, I have a Facebook group. It's called Filipina International Students in Canada. I will link it down below so you can join. And I am mapping out the guides and steps for international student. Kasi ang dami nag-ask sa akin paano pumunta dyan, blah blah blah. And like, sobrang daming information for you to know muna to help you decide kung ano talaga yung best for you. Yung parang alam nila yung mangyayari sa kanila. And at the same time, alam nila yung goals nila. Hindi yung like malilito-lito sila kasi ito, natapon na ako dito eh. So, at magugulat sila na, oh shit, ganito pala. Ano ba yung pinasukan ko and all. So, yung information is all over the place. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka titingin. Kasi ganun yung na-feel ko before na parang shocks. Okay, nandito na ako sa Canada. You have to just do what you gotta do. Kaya sobrang na-stress ako. Okay, ito na. Start na.
For a few more people to join us, we do have Carolyn Burson. Hi, Carolyn.
Hi, everyone.
Carolyn, oh, there she is. She's our director of Pathways. So Carolyn is coming on the bus with me. And yeah, Carolyn's just joining us to say hello. So we are waiting for more people to join us. We have Fiona. Hi, Fiona.
Hi,
Welcome.
And we repented from that and we went back to the root of the law, which is simply to love God and to love our neighbor.
I am grateful for the feast. This is the church that my sister and I go to in the Philippines, and they have been the church that I'm going to as well during my journey to come to Canada, or even when I was still in college. Now I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I am right on time. It's 9:24 in the morning, and 9 is I'm going to have a breakfast and take a bath. So, right on time, Fiona. I'm proud of you. Hi, everyone. Now, I just finished shooting the welcome video. Now, I am going to shoot the regular and the SDS visa processing, like the difference of 2. This is gonna save me so much time naman in the future, so it's fine then. I'm so tired. I wanna walk outside, but medyo malamig. Mulan kasi. Anyway, yeah. Okay, let's start. Tapos na ako mag-shoot ng SDS versus regular processing. And, grabe, yung mascara ko pala is ganito na. Mukha tuloy akong haggard sa video. Yung eye bags ko mas na-heighten siya. Oh my goodness. This is why ayoko mag-mascara. But why did you do this to yourself, Fiona? Why do we keep on doing the things that we know is bad for us? Okay, time check. Anong oras na? So, it's 5:43 p.m. And I'm so happy today. Ang dami kong na-achieve. I made 2 videos. I created a lot of TikTok videos as well. Ang saya lang kapag mga creative stuff yung ginagawa ko. So, now magtatanggal na ako ng makeup kasi nag-smudge na siya. Apparently, it's not waterproof. So, sad life. So, I'm using Clinique. This is given to me by my girl, Angel. So, hindi ko pa siya ubos kasi hindi naman ako masyadong nagme-makeup. Ang bigat niya kasi sa mukha. Like, napapagod yung mukha ko kapag masyadong laman.